hate though?
Oh.
When go
Oh.
puff and just have
Smoking that marijuana.
Oh, I know what you mean.
Yeah, and
my
they
turn.
steal your...
That pissed. Hi at Christina's party.
Shane?
Yeah.
Shane.
Ow! I just hurt myself. Fuck off.
Hey, I feel like a caveman because we're working with fire and caveman created fire.
Fighter. Fighter jet plane. What are you talking about?
You
Are
know.
you alright? Are you talking about accent or something?
You make me funny. I've only noticed it right. I've just noticed it right now. I never noticed that. You have an accent. I do.
Do I really have it that bad?
Yeah, that's how you sound, man. I don't even know if it's Hickish. It's just an accent.
It's just American then.
It's American. It is American.
Oh my fuck, I do.
Oh my fucking do.
I'm making fun of her.
I'm
Jesus
not.
Christ. Yeah, you are.
I'm in love with it.
It's fine. I know. I haven't.
I wish I had a British accent.
It's not fucking British.
That would make me sound sexier. Hello there, my name is Charlotte Bergman. Do I sound sexy with my British... Oh my God! I thought it was like an octopus or something. I feel like I'm on the Blair Witch Project. What the hell? Come on. Oh no! I gotta... No, stop! Stop right now! What? Is it like a bat pulling at my... Stop! I said stop right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody. Stop! Stop it! No, seriously. Stop it! Guys, stop it! I don't want that to be in my hair. Any comments, Erin?
Wow! This is fucking awesome. I've never seen someone... There it is! There it is! Look at it!
Oh no! There it is! Ah!
I can't do this no more.
The hand is helping too. It was you! Hey! That's not... This way, man. Don't I usually pass it to...
Camera switch.
Oh, that was fucking hilarious. Surely.
Well, hello there, Mrs. Brown. Mrs. Brownie Brown. I said it with an accent.
No, you didn't. You sound like a fucking idiot. I love...
You sound like a fucking idiot.
I love you, Charlotte.
You know who I miss? Steve Irwin.
Who's Steve Irwin?
The crocodile hunter.
Oh, yeah.
He would have came and be like, Raw, look at those things. Just smoking that marijuana. In
marijuana! You would say marijuana!
Well, in Australia, they call it marijuana. Oh. Well, your turn to
well,
film.
hello there.
Return to film. It just keeps going around
I know.
after the pipe.
It's going with the... It's like a step closer.